Hello guys. We have given here the technical description of a lot. We have the area of the lot 21,007 square meters, and we have given here the bearing and the distances of the said lot. So so our quandary is atong pangitaon ang departure o ang iyang latitude, BMD o double area, so that we can check the area given above, no, and to find the error of closure. So kung mag-survey guys, kay dili maging perfect guys, no, naiusahay kung diri ka kung imo ning diri sa picture guys, diri sa figure close na siya guys, pero sa reality guys na gina siya gamay nga dili gina siya mag-abot ng mga lines niya guys. Malitan diri ka mag-close, dili na siya mag-abot guys, no, na gamay nga error of closure. So ato pangitaon guys, atong pangitaon guys og pila ang iyang error of closure, pila ka centimeter, pila ka kuan guys, no. So atong i-check po ng area o ma-accurate ba siya sa atong kuan computation. And then guys, atong pangitaon ang iyahang precision of linear measurement. Then ang iyang area, this area is in square meters. So pangitaan nato ang iyang area, pangitaan nato yung area guys in acres, then area in hectares. I-convert ito siya og pila ang iyang area in hectares and in acres. So kini nga kuan guys, so we know nga ang north dito sa taas, dayon yung south sa ubos, dayon yung west there is a left, dayon yung east there is a right. So bali ta maglibo guys, no. So diri guys sa coordinates, pag diri ka na nga direction padulong guys, negative. Diri ka na direction sa x-axis padulong, negative. Kung padulong ka dito may direction, positive. Kung sa y-axis mo guys, kung padulong ka sa taas, positive. Kung padulong ka sa ubos, negative. Okay? So atong computer ang iyang departure, latitude, TMD o double area. So para mahibalan nato, para ma-check na to yung area o ang iyang error of closure. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, atong isolve ang 1 to 2 guys, departure and latitude. So diri ta mag-start guys sa 1, diri ta mag-start sa 1 to 2 para makita, para ma-compare to og apila yung departure og latitude. Let's go. So diri guys we have given a distance guys. So the given distance there is 132.48 meters, no? So ang departure niya guys is from this point, no, from this point to this point, kasi 90 degrees mo na guys, paana sa ikaduha. So ang iyang departure guys from this point to this point, muna iyang departure, diba? Diri paana kanaog mo na iyang latitude. From this point to this point, mo na iyang latitude. So naka 90 degrees na guys, na padulin rin mo na iyang departure. Let's say mo ni iyang x, mo na iyang kuan coordinate ana. Since from this point padulong mga dito guys, so negative, di ba guys, sa x-axis negative. So from this point itunong ano siya guys, paana padulong ka dito, departure na negative. So ato ibutan diri guys, sa departure negative. Okay. So ato ibutan diri guys, negative. Okay, padulong man siya dito. So and this angle guys sa 1 to 2 is south 20 degrees 17 minutes west. So mo ni ang angle niya guys, no. kay 1 to 2 man to. So mali ang angle ri guys kani. Diri south, dayon diri west, di ba? Southwest, southwest. So ang padulong si mo angle guys, diri ka magsugod guys, padulong ito southwest, southwest, which is 20 degrees 17 minutes. So kani siya nga angle guys, na from here to here, this is 20 degrees 17 minutes, diba? 20 degrees 17 minutes na siyang angle kay southwest man, southwest. So southwest mali angle 17, 20 degrees 17 minutes. So kani siya diri guys, kani atong kuha departure. So angle opposite over hypotenuse, so sine siya guys, no? So one distance, so sama niya, so sine guys, no, itong gamiton. So opposite over hypotenuse is sine, right? So sine angle opposite departure over the distance, opposite over hypotenuse, diba? Hypotenuse triangle muna guys. So kung sine guys opposite over hypotenuse, so para makuha nimo ang departure, so mo ni siya guys, sine angle 20 degrees 17 minutes is equal to departure over the distance 132.48. So departure ilipat na nimo dito guys, so mahimo siya 132 sine 0.48 sine 20 degrees 17 minutes ang imong departure. So if you compute guys, negative ni siya guys, kaya ang imong departure padulong man sa negative axis, x axis, right? So negative 45.93 kung imo ni siyang i-calculate using your calculator. So negative 45.93 ang atong departure sa 1 to 2. This is 45.93, no? Okay, maklaro guys. So 45.93 ang atong departure. So from here to here is 45.93 meters, no? Ang iyang distance pa ganyan guys. So ang iyang latitude guys is kini nga length from this point to this. So sa kuan guys, padawon man siya gikan nga point padulong sa ito, padawon man siya, so negative. So butang ato diri guys, negative ang iyang latitude. So kakani man nga leg atong pangitaon guys, so adjacent over hypotenuse, that is cosine, right? So let's go. So guys, mo ni guys, no, cosine na siya guys, no, angle adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So cosine 20 degrees yung angle 20 degrees 17 minutes is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, latitude over the distance. So from this divide both sides, multiply both sides by 132.48, so cancel. So the result is latitude 100 is equal to 132.48 cosine 20 degrees 17 minutes. So if you calculate this guys, this is 124.26. So butangan natin sa negative guys, no, kay padawon man siya guys. So 124.26 124.86 at latitude in this line, in this point 1 to 2. Okay, so next, now guys, we are going to find the departure and latitude of the line 2 to 3. So in the given guys 2 to 3, we have north 72 degrees 37 minutes west. So northwest guys, remember northwest. So magdraw kag angle guys from here to here, to this line. So north north, from north, this is north, this is the west. So northwest 72 degrees 37. So from north 72 degrees 37 minutes to this line. So this is 72 degrees 37 minutes. Now kay atong pangitaan guys, kay diri man ta guys para sa yunra. So departure latitude, right? So kaning angle atong kuhaon guys, kay pwede ra pud guys og diri ka mag-start ana kaning angle yung gamiton, pero diri na lang ta guys. So pila man ni 90 degrees minus 72 degrees 37 minutes is pila man na, wait, so 90 degrees. So kani pila man siya angle, 90 degrees minus 90 mi siya guys, ang total ani. So 90 degrees minus 72 degrees 37 minutes is 17 degrees 23 minutes. So this angle guys is 17 degrees 23 minutes. So makuha na nato ang iyahang departure. From this point to this point, mao na iyang departure ani nga kuan guys line. So from this point guys is going to the direction of negative, right? So our departure here guys is negative. Then ang atong latitude guys, from this point pasaka mo siya guys, pasaka mo siya padulungan ang point, so positive. So let's assign a positive. So this time guys, ang atong departure is cosine na gamiton guys, no? Adjacent over hypotenuse is cosine. Ano yung angle? So cosine, so 154.13 times cosine of this angle is equal to the departure. So if you compute that guys, diretso na na to guys, we have 147.09. Then ang atong latitude guys, opposite over hypotenuse, so sine, so 154.13 sine of this angle is equal to this latitude, which is 46.05 meters. Okay, now inanaon siya guys. So now next guys is from 3 to 4. So sa given guys 3 to 4, yang one is north 24 degrees 31 east. So northeast, so northeast. So magdraw kag angle guys from north, diri man north, northeast is northeast, padulong mo diri man east, so padulong sa diri angle. So north 24 degrees 31 minutes. So muna yung angle guys, 24 degrees 31 minutes. So kani nga triangle itong kuhaon guys, padulong diha. So ang iyang departure guys along x is positive guys, di ba? Positive kay padulong mo siya diri. So ang iyang y pataas man, so positive pud. So iyang x positive, dayon diya pong latitude is positive. From this time guys, our departure is opposite over hypotenuse. So this is sine guys, no? Diri cosine kay naman siya diri. So this time we have 149.17 meters. Sine of this angle is equal to this departure. Right, if you compute that guys, we have So if you compute that guys, our departure there is 62.12 meters. Right. Then our latitude kani guys, padulong ko sa taas, so positive no. So adjacent divided by hypotenuse no. So cosine cosine guys. So 149.17 meters multiplied by the sine of this angle is the latitude, which is 136.21. So ano sa guys no. Now guys, next one is from 4 to 5. So nasa gihatag nga bearing guys is south 66 degrees 52 minutes east. So sakto gid guys no, 4 to 5 din, 4 to 5. Yeah. So ang gihatag nga angle is southeast. So kung magdali-dali ka na guys, diri man na imong angle ana dayon. Ug dili ka malibat ka. So ibig tan-awan guys, southeast. From south ka magbuhat kag angle guys, diri ka sa south. South to east, di ba? East na ni. East then south. So what the angle na guys? South east. Muna ang angle guys. Muna 66 degrees 52 minutes. So kaya itong gamiton nga triangle, pwede ra po guys, paana ka padulong diha. Yung triangle paana. Pero kung ako guys, diri ko lapit guys. Kani nga triangle akong gamiton. So ang angle ana guys kani, para makuha nimo angle ana 90 degrees. Kay 90 man siya, 90 total ani ana. 90 degrees minus this angle which is 66.52, which is 66 degrees 52 minutes. So ang kaning angle guys is 23 degrees 8 minutes. Muna yung gamiton ng angle guys para makuha nimo ang departure o latitude. So in this case guys, our departure is cosine. Adjacent over hypotenuse is cosine, right? So makuha na to ang departure. 100 meters cosine of this angle is the departure. Okay? So ang atong latitude is opposite over hypotenuse sine. So 100 meters sine of this angle is the latitude. Okay. So ato siya i-input guys. Ang atong departure guys is positive kay from this point padulong man siya in this direction, right? Positive ana man siya. So positive, ang atong y negative. So butangan to siya daan guys para di ta malibog. Positive ato ang positive ang ato ang kuan. Kani siya. Positive atong x. Di atong departure atong latitude is negative. So if you compute that guys, we have, so if you compute those guys is we have 91.96 atong departure positive. And our latitude is negative 39.29. Now the last one guys is 5 to 1 no? From here to here. We have given the distance which is 43.13. So same thing ra ani guys no, kay parehas sa direction. So kanina gyapon nga triangle. So ang gihata guys is southeast no, southeast. So magbuhat ang angle ri guys, south 64 degrees east 20 minutes, diba? 20 minutes east. So kay kani mga triangle guys, so ato pangitaon ni guys. So 90 degrees minus this angle 64 degrees 20 minutes is, so that is 25. This angle guys is 25 degrees 40 minutes. Okay, so computing our atong departure there guys is cosine, then atong latitude is sine, right? So same thing Rodri guys no. So our departure is positive, then our latitude is pababa, so negative. So nakuha na to tanan yung mga kuan guys na departure o latitude. So muna guys, no? Susunod guys, DMD. Okay. Natuon na siya guys ha. So sunod na tong kuan guys, DMD. Okay, let's go. So now guys, we have to compute the DMD. So now on how to compute this. So our DMD guys, firstly guys, okay, namay sa DMD guys no kada usa. So una guys, kapio ni mo ning departure. So negative 45.93. Basta mag-start ka sa DMD, kapio ni mo ang una nga departure. So ang sunod ma-compute na nimo guys. So ang sunod na guys, negative 45.93 minus kay minus man, negative man, minus 45.93 minus 147.09 mo na dre guys. Anak kani no, negative 45.93 minus 45.93 minus 147.09 mo na siya dre guys ang DMD niya, which is if you calculate those guys, we have negative 238.95. So next one guys is negative para dire guys, negative 238.95 minus 147.09 plus 62.12 on dire, which is 323.92. Negative 323.92. Mura gyapon guys no. Negative 323.92 plus 62.12 plus positive na plus 91.86 mo ni dire guys.
Na?
Which is negative 169.84. So same thing guys no. Negative 169.84 plus 91.96 plus positive man 38.81. So mo ni guys, which is 38.87 negative if you calculate 38.97.
Wow!
So na natin DMD guys. Now karon guys, pakuha na to ang double area. Okay, so naon sa guys no, kung mag-start ka DMD diri ka mag-copy sa departure, dayon kana dayon iya kuan din sa kabalo na guys no, kabalo na ka guys usa sa next double area. So to calculate the double area guys, we have to erase this muna. So to calculate the double area, multiply this guys no, DMD multiplied by its latitude. So negative positive, so this is positive. Multiply lang guys no, DMD latitude. So we have 5707.26. So multiply this. This is negative 11,003.65. So wala na guys no, multiply na to siya. So positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Multiply na guys, mo ni result, multiply mo ni result, multiply mo ni result, multiply mo ni result, multiply mo ni result. So nanatay double area. So double area guys, mo na siya kay double area man. Mo na siya i-total guys. double area, imo nang i-total i-add nimo. So positive 5707.26 minus 11003.65 minus 4412.14 plus kani ang total na guys is negative. Pero wala may area nga negative guys, so absolute, i-absolute natin siya para mawala yung negative, right? So iyang answer na guys is 42015.78. so ma-check na nato to guys ang area guys, no? Kung makuha ba nato pag mulahi guys sa guys ana guys ng area, which mahibal na to guys nga naa sa error, right? So this is, so our area kani guys divided by 2, so ana ta area in square meters, which is 21,007.89 square meters, right? So diferensya siya guys, no? Dito kay 21,700 square meters ra at 21,007 square meters. Dire 21,007.89 square meters. So dako-dako po ba na guys, no? 0.89 square meters ang iyang ang iyang gidakon, no? So ato pangitaon guys ang error of closure. So nasa difference guys, no? Dito sa given nga area dire na siya gamay nga sobra, so dili gid siya ma-perfect guys. So ato pangitaon ang iyahang error of closure. So the next one is error of closure. So mo ni atong error of closure guys, mahibala na to. So para mahibala na to ang error of closure sa atong lot, no? Asa mo ta nag-end ato, diri man to 5 to 1, right? So nasa ikang area guys, no? Diha ba to? So atong i-total ang iyang departure guys, negative 4593.93 minus 147.09 plus kini mo ni siya guys ang result. Muna error sa iyang departure, negative 0.03. So sa iyang latitude guys, imo ni i-total negative 24.26 plus kini minus kini. So ang result guys mo ni guys ang error sa iyang latitude 0.01. So ang error sa iyang closure guys is the square root of the square root of latitude plus the square root of the total departure, no? Square root of the square root of the total departure plus the square root of the total latitude. So if you calculate those guys, we have the error of our error of closure is 0.03. 0.03 ang atong error of closure. So mao na siya ang error of closure guys, which is if you convert that in centimeter na gaya meters, so 0.03 0.03 times 100. So 3 centimeters ra guys, no? Anak kadako ang yang error of closure, 3 centimeters. Diba? Gamay ra guys. So kung diri ka nag-end guys, kani siya nga line og kani nagkang ana siya guys ana 3 centimeters. No? Kang asa gamay kay namo siya error of closure. So dili gid siya ma-perfect case, no? Namo gyud mga factors nga anong dili siya makuha sa instrument, no? Dili kayo no, inaanat tingali ano di pa kay ko sito kay di ka wa pa man ko nag-survey guys. No? Di pa man ko surveyor. So mo na siya guys, no, sample kuan sa error of closure. So kung i-convert niyo na guys, let's say mao na itong area, convert niyo sa acre. So ang atong area in acres, so area in acres, so 1 acre is 4,047 square meters man guys, diba? So 21,007.89 square meters over 47. Kay ang 1 acre is equivalent to 47 acres. Oh no, ang 1 acre is equal to 47 square meters. So ang result na guys is in acres, which is 5.2 acres. Naman siya symbol sa acre guys. Unit symbol. Then area in kuan guys, i-convert niyo man siya sa i-convert niyo sa hectares. Area in hectares. Sa area acres to hectares. So 5.20 over ang kuan guys, ang 1 acres is 2.47, ang 1 hectares is equal to 2.47 acres. So divide sa 47. So this is 2.10 hectares. So may iyang unit symbol sa hectares guys, no? So ang imong lot nga na area nga 21.7 square meters, pila na siya ka hectares? 2.1 hectares, right? 2.1 hectares ang equivalent sa 21,007 square meters. Ang equivalent sa 21,007 square meters is 2.10 hectares. Okay, so guys, no, I hope nga namin nakuha guys, isang gamay lang in this video. So thank you very much guys. Mangita tag lain problem guys nga kanang useful pod guys, no, next time. So thank you very much guys, and God bless.